Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Again, today's video is on India Yearbook 2020 from chapter number 8, Communication and Information Technology, and the topic is Pragati. As you can see on your screen, so we are going through this topic, Pragati. And in my previous video, I have made some questions on India Yearbook, and also the this chapter has been explained elaborately in one of the video. You please go through my previous video so that you will be getting idea how to read India Yearbook and how to take out the bits, notes, or make questions on this book. Okay, because for a new beginner, it is very much difficult to read this book for at least 2 3 years. He is not able to touch this book. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go further. So Pragati. So what is the long form of Pragati? So I will be taking out questions from these bits also. Okay, you try to understand. So it is a first question. What is Pragati? Okay, now it is what is exactly means. So proactive governance. Okay, so proactive is the one. So P here they have taken PR. Okay, proactive governance, and this is they have taken A of and timely implementation. Okay, so proactive governance means they will act previously, okay, accordingly as soon as they get an information. So and timely implementation, at the same time it will be implemented. Again, it is the part of Digital India program. Then again, it is going through e-governance, reforming government through technology. It is e-governance and reforming government through technology. It was launched in 2015. Basically, what is Pragati? Pragati is a video conferencing facility. It is a video conferencing facility which brings the secretaries of the government of India and chief secretaries of states. Okay, so secretaries of government of India, that is from central government, and chief secretaries from states on single platform on every fourth Wednesday of the month. On every fourth Wednesday, they will have such type of meet. So Prime Minister, this is our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and all others secretaries there, and from chief secretaries of other states. Okay. So Prime Minister is able to discuss the issues in major projects and programs with the concerned central and state officials directly, with full information and latest visuals of the ground level situation. Okay, and it enables faster implementation of the central level schemes, projects, state level projects, and resolution of grievances between states and central level departments. So this is what Pragati. Now, how the question may comes on this part, you have to think over that. Firstly, what is the long form of Pragati? So it is here, that is proactive, PR, proactive governance and timely implementation. Okay, when it was launched? It was launched in 2015. What is it exactly? It is a video conferencing facility in which the secretaries of the government of India and chief secretaries of the states are interacting with each other. When this occasion video conferencing facility is there, it is on every fourth Wednesday of the month. Okay, so is Prime Minister taking part in this? Yes, Prime Minister is also taking part in that, and it has means grievances can be solved through this between state and center. Then it enables the faster implementation of the schemes, projects at central level and state level, and Prime Minister and all other ministries can have latest visuals of the ground level situation, and they can interact with any officials directly. So this is what Pragati. Then one more slide I have taken from internet. Okay, I don't know whether it is from, but it was given that PIB, so I have taken from it. So another part is, so here PM to hold monthly program on every fourth Wednesday. It is given at 3:30 p.m. Okay, and that day, that every fourth day will be said to be Pragati Day. So it is a Pragati Day. Then again one more point is there. The design enables PM to see on his screen issues as well as latest update and visual regarding the same. So the same point it is given there also. So I hope my friends you like my video. If you like my video, please give like to my video. Also put comments in comment box. Your comments motivates me. Your comments always motivates me. One comment definitely I will go for further video. Share this video to your friends, then your relative who is studying for civil services or any competitive exam, then your person or friend living in neighbor or your family member, anyone it can be. And please subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Thank you.